Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Apple Watch accessories with a hands-on look at the Alpine Loop Band. Specifically, the one designed to be compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch sizes, from the larger 49mm Ultra down to the 38mm Series 3. This band claims compatibility with everything in between, including the 45mm, 41mm, 44mm, 40mm, and 42mm sizes, covering Series 1 through 10C and both Ultra models. That's a pretty comprehensive list. So, the big question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the rugged, outdoorsy vibe of this band. It's made of a double-layered woven nylon, which feels surprisingly soft against the skin, yet incredibly durable. This isn't your flimsy, everyday nylon strap. It has a real heft to it, giving you the impression that it can withstand some serious wear and tear. The titanium G-hook fastener is a nice touch, adding to the overall premium feel and providing a secure, confident closure. You don't have to worry about this band accidentally coming undone during a workout or any other activity. Now, let's talk about comfort. I've been wearing this band for a few days now, in various situations, from working at my desk to hitting the gym, and I'm genuinely impressed with how comfortable it is. The woven nylon is breathable, preventing that sticky, sweaty feeling you can sometimes get with other bands, especially during intense workouts. The adjustability is also excellent. The hook and loop system allows for a precise fit, ensuring the watch stays snug on your wrist without feeling too tight. One of the things I really appreciate about the Alpine Loop Band is its versatility. It's rugged enough for outdoor adventures, yet stylish enough for everyday wear. It effortlessly transitions from the gym to the office to a night out. The available color options also add to its versatility, allowing you to choose a band that complements your personal style. Whether you prefer a more neutral tone or a vibrant pop of color, there's likely an Alpine Loop Band that's perfect for you. However, there are a couple of minor points to consider. The G-hook fastener, while secure, can sometimes be a little tricky to fasten one-handed. It takes a bit of practice to get the hang of it. Also, the woven nylon, while durable, can be a bit of a lint magnet. It's nothing a quick wipe down can't fix, but it's something to be aware of. Overall, the Alpine Loop Band is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a durable, comfortable, and stylish Apple Watch band. Its rugged construction, secure closure, and breathable material make it ideal for active individuals, while its versatile design and range of color options make it a great choice for everyday wear. Despite the minor drawbacks with the G-hook and lint attraction, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. If you're in the market for a new Apple Watch band, I highly recommend checking out the Alpine Loop. It's a solid investment that will elevate your Apple Watch experience. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried the Alpine Loop Band? What are your favorite Apple Watch bands? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.